Changing light bulbs, a guide to basic household maintenance. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will focus on an essential topic for everyday activities: changing light bulbs. Learning how to change a light bulb is a useful skill to have, as it is a common household chore. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the process of changing light bulbs, it's essential to understand the different types of light bulbs you might encounter. There are three main types. 1. Incandescent bulbs. These are traditional bulbs that produce light through a wire filament. They are gradually being phased out due to their energy inefficiency. 2. Compact fluorescent lamps, CFL. CFL bulbs are more energy efficient than incandescent bulbs and have a longer lifespan. They contain a small amount of mercury, so proper disposal is necessary. 3. Light-emitting diodes, LED. LED bulbs are highly energy efficient, have a long lifespan, and are environmentally friendly. They are becoming increasingly popular. Before attempting to change a light bulb, it's crucial to ensure your safety. Here are some important safety precautions to follow. 1. Turn off the light switch. Before changing a light bulb, always switch off the light to prevent electrical shocks. 2. Allow the bulb to cool down. If the light has been on recently, give the bulb enough time to cool down. Touching a hot bulb can cause burns. 3. Use a stable ladder. If the light bulb is located in a high ceiling or an elevated position, use a stable ladder to reach it safely. Ensure the ladder is secure and positioned correctly. Now that we have covered the basics, let's move on to the step-by-step process of changing a light bulb. 1. Identify the type of bulb. Determine the type of bulb you need to replace. Refer to the packaging or the manual if necessary. 2. Switch off the light. As mentioned earlier, turn off the light switch to cut off the power supply. 3. Allow cooling. If the bulb was recently on, give it a few minutes to cool down before handling it. 4. Remove the old bulb. Gently twist the old bulb counterclockwise to loosen it from the socket. Be careful not to apply excessive force or break the bulb. 5. Dispose of the old bulb. If you are using an incandescent or CFL bulb, wrap it in newspaper or place it in a plastic bag before disposing of it. Proper disposal of CFL bulbs is necessary due to the small amount of mercury they contain. 6. Insert the new bulb. Take the new bulb and insert it into the socket. Ensure it is aligned correctly. 7. Twist the new bulb clockwise. Once the new bulb is properly aligned, twist it clockwise until it is securely in place. Avoid over-tightening, as it may damage the bulb or socket. 8. Switch on the light. Finally, turn on the light switch to test if the new bulb is functioning correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to change a light bulb in English. Remember to prioritize safety by following the necessary precautions we discussed. Now you can confidently perform this essential household chore. Practice makes perfect, so try it out next time you need to replace a light bulb. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English language skills. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.